Today I'm going to show you how I used a $3 part from the Ace Hardware up the street to unlock the full menu on my Keurig 2.0. This is a 475 model, so the 400 series. As a number of other videos online show, the method to unlock the full menu ultimately boils down to getting the small magnet located right here in the K-cup holder shifted down to this point down here. Now, your carafe cups and similar do that by physically moving this arm down. However, if you get the right magnet with the right thickness and put it right in that little spot right there, you can achieve the same effect. So after looking at a couple of different magnets, I wanted to find one that was easy and available to pretty much anyone. And I found it in the form of a magnetic door holder at Ace Hardware. So, for reference, there's the part number. It's BP97653PT by Amerock. Yep. And I got this at the Ace Hardware around the corner from my house. So, I've already assembled it, but this little piece right here consisted of two small bits of copperish looking metal sticking out back to this post, and then using no tools I was able to flip this over, pop this little metal support piece off the back, and then from inside here remove a central little piece of metal, a little piece of steel, and then attach to these two end posts or two tiny little magnets. So I took those three parts, combined them together to make this piece right here. So this piece, as you can see, consists of that central metal piece and the two small magnets found inside the latch mechanism from this door latch. So then all I had to do, took a couple tries to get it positioned right, was take those two small magnets, put them on the piece of metal shown, so oriented vertically, and then place them into that gap. To help it place it in there, I actually found that the small screw that comes with the kit is fantastic at rearranging this piece. So stick it on there. You can kind of lift it out if you need to, or move it around. And that's essentially what I did. Was I built this little assembly of the three pieces inside the latch mechanism, then placed it inside this little gap and pushed it in using this screw as my tool. Pop that right off. There we go. Kind of shove it back into place. So with that positioned likewise, Keurig now thinks that there's a carafe cup in there. There's a couple other videos online talking about what each of these different buttons do. The first one is pretty self-evident. It's the carafe itself. The ones that I think are going to be of interest to most people are settings 2 and 4. 4 is the standard K-cup. This is essentially what comes up whenever you put a normal K-cup in there. There we go. And then setting 2 is for one of those larger travel size mugs, which is my preferred setting, 214 strong. So again, this is quick and simple $3 part from my local Ace Hardware that let me unlock the full capacity of my Keurig. Get one more view of that piece in there.